talented Juho with a solid foundation. She confidently stepped into the entertainment world, bearing her academic excellence with her strong and appealing debut in hosting, breakout acting roles, and credible musical pursuits. Despite her showbiz roots, Atasha Mulak is committed to forging her own path, a true embodiment of youth that balances her celebrated heritage with genuine ambition, crafting her own presence in the entertainment industry. Her Maimorena Youth Awardees, Andres Mulak and Atasha Mulak.
There's a lot that we want to say, but first of all, thank you so much. It is such an honor to be recognized by such a respected institution. Maraming salamat po, Promise Awards. Thank you po. We want to thank our bosses, Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Veronique, Boss Bad, Boss Bert, Tita Jude, and Kaka. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And also, we want to thank more importantly our family.
We'd like to thank our parents, our mom and our dad, for supporting us and being along, joining us on this ride and guiding us through the way. Thank them so much. And of course, most importantly, we would like to thank the people that have supported us through this journey. We learned a lot, and we're still learning a lot, and it's really truly an honor to share this stage and this time to all of you.
Yes, and also we also want to add that maraming salamat po sa lahat ng workshop coaches namin, to all the staff of production, to everyone behind the scenes that makes the Philippine industry, of course, the magic behind it. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.